Hey, what's up, folks? This is Ken $1 million boy here. Today is another making money video here, and what I'm gonna show you is how to make hundreds of dollars every single day on autopilot without actively working on your computer. Okay, so all that required for you to start is your internet connection and a mobile phone or tablet or PC, whatever you're using. I'm using my PC here, and it doesn't matter. This is also worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. This actually works everywhere. Okay. So guys, I'm going to stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know to make this really work. Okay, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how to set everything up. Okay, and if this is the first time watching this video here, I'll urge you please go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I'm doing videos like this every single day, showing different ways and different strategies how to make money online. So the first website that we're actually going to talk about here is this website ShrinkMe.io here. Okay, ShrinkMe.io is a platform for showing links, okay, showing URLs, okay. But let me go to my statistics here. Okay, this is a new account that I just created on ShrinkMe.io here, purpose for this video, as I always do. So once you are on ShrinkMe.io, and guys, if you want to follow me, I have the link in the description. I mean the first link in the description. Just click on the first link and it's gonna take you to ShrinkMe.io here, and here you're gonna create an account on ShrinkMe.io. I'll keep that process because it's very easy. I mean very easy to create an account. I think all that requires is your name, your email address, and then you're good to go. Okay, and you can create an account with your Google account. Okay, so it's very simple. That's why I skip that process. So if you want to create an account, you just click on the first link. It's gonna take you to ShrinkMe.io homepage. You're gonna create an account, and when you do that through my link that I'm gonna give you in the description, you're gonna earn a free $1 bonus, as you can see on my dashboard here. This is a new account here. Okay, and I have an available balance of $1 because of what I'm about to show here. And if you click the link in the description and create an account through my affiliate link here, which of course my referral link, you're gonna earn a free $1 account bonus here. Okay, so it's very simple, and when you're done creating your account, you're gonna see something very similar like this on your screen. Okay, very similar like this on your screen. And when you're on the screen here, what you're gonna do next is come over and click on this section here. It says new link. Okay, you're gonna click your new shorten link. Okay, because we're gonna shorten links here. And guys, I'm gonna be walking you through everything here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how everything works here. Okay, so when you are here, what you're gonna do next is come over to this new website. Okay, that is Digistore24. Okay, this website here, Digistore24. I know a lot of you already know about Digistore24. It's an affiliate network where you can promote a whole lot of product and make a good money here. A lot of people are making millions and thousands of dollars every single day, including myself here on Digistore24 here. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is we're gonna select any product here. And guys, if you we actually doing affiliate marketing here, and if you want to know how to do affiliate marketing, I have a video that can show you how to do that. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna select any product that we're gonna promote. Okay, so let's say we want to promote this offer, and here guys, I'm on the personal development niche here. Okay, I'm very passionate about it, so we're gonna promote this offer here. Okay, which is Miracle Money Magnet here. So we're gonna promote this offer, and guys, I know you might be a little confused here, but I'm gonna explain everything to you. Okay, just take action and follow what I'm doing here. Just model me. Okay, so this offer here is paying out how much here per 70% commission, and once we make a sale, we earn $14 real quick here. Okay, so that means that we are going to promote this product, and anybody that clicks and buy this product through our affiliate link, we're gonna earn $14 here. Okay, over and over. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is come over and just click here. Okay, grab your affiliate link. As you can see, it's already copied here. Okay, so we're gonna copy our affiliate link here, and what you're gonna do next is come over to ShrinkMe.io page here, and you're gonna paste that link in here. See, okay, so paste that in here real quick, and what you're gonna do next is come over and click here. It says shorten. Okay, so we're gonna shorten the long link that we just pasted from our Digistore here. Okay, so click here, shorten, and here is our shorten URL. As you can see here, first we paste the long link here and click shorten here, and here is our shorten concise very beautiful link here. Okay, so we're gonna copy this link here by clicking on this button here says copy. Okay, so we're gonna copy that right here. Okay, so it's copied, and our link is really copied here. So what I'm gonna do next is, this is the link that we actually gonna share, and you can share this link on social media. I mean, on your Facebook, on Twitter, on Quora, or whatever social media that you want to share your link on. Is very good for you to do that. Okay, and you're not gonna have any problem share your links on social media with StreamYard here. Okay, and one of my favorite traffic sources that I always talk about is Twitter. Okay, so you can share your links on Twitter. If you have an account on Twitter, then you can go on sharing your links on Twitter. And what we are trying to accomplish here is, one, StreamYard.io is gonna pay you per visit per traffic. Okay, so anybody that clicks a link here, StreamYard.io is gonna pay you. Okay, and anybody that clicks on your link, it's gonna land them to StreamYard.io homepage, where they are given the opportunity to also create an account and make money here. And you're also showing advertisement content on that page here. Okay, so anybody that clicks through is gonna take them to this offer that we are promoting here, which is Miracle Money Magnet. Is gonna take them to this offer here. Okay, and once they watch this video, this page here is what we call a sales page. Okay, we have a VSL here, and when they go on and buy this product here for $7, we are gonna earn $14, as I showed you real quick here. Okay, we're gonna earn $14 here. Okay, per sale. So what do you think we're doing here? Okay, so first we are getting paid from StreamYard.io, and second we are getting paid from Digistore here. So we're making money in very precise way. Okay, this is very smart way to make money online. And guys, if you think you're liking this video, if you think you're enjoying, go ahead and smash out the like button, give me a like, and then comment below what you think. Okay, so it is very easy to make money with this system here. Okay, so I think that's what there is to this video, and so I think that's what there is to know. And you imagine if you can share your links on maybe 3 times on Twitter. Normally I use Twitter to make money a lot of here. Okay, so you gotta focus on Twitter because Twitter traffic is very good. And guys, I'm gonna give you a tip on how to share your links on here. Okay, so the product we are promoting here is how to make it's about manifestation. Okay, this product is how to manifest. So before you share your link on, let's say, Twitter, okay, you're gonna type something like how to manifest. Let's see the offer we are getting here. Okay, so how to manifest money like a miracle, or we can type anything that can hook people out, that can get them very active to be interested in the product we are promoting here. Okay, so you can then sound like, you want to manifest money fast, click here. Okay, and they click on a link here. As I said, it's gonna take them to the page, and they click through to this search page here, and they buy this offer here. We're gonna make money. And that's all there is to this video. If you think I can give you massive value, or urge, please go ahead and smash that like button if you're not liked yet, and let me know what you think about this video. If you have any further questions of this video, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as I read a comment. Okay, so I love you. I thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and goodbye.